The best affordable vintage car, Chevrolet Malibu Classic, 1977. Creation history. The Chevrolet Malibu Classic 1977 is part of the well-known Malibu lineup produced by Chevrolet, a division of General Motors. The Malibu series was introduced in 1964 and has undergone various transformations over the years. The 1977 model year represented the fifth generation of the Malibu. This car had three main advantages. The first, classic design. The Malibu Classic 1977 featured a classic and timeless design. Its sleek lines and well-proportioned body made it a popular choice among buyers. The second, versatility. This model was offered in various body styles, including coupes, sedans, and station wagons, providing customers with options to suit their preferences. The third, comfort and performance. The Malibu Classic prioritized passenger comfort, offering a smooth ride and well-appointed interior. It was equipped with various engine options to cater to different performance needs. Interesting facts about the automobile. In 1977, the Chevrolet Malibu Classic was well received for its balanced combination of style, performance, and practicality. The Malibu nameplate has a long and storied history, and the 1977 model is considered a representative of the Malibu's successful evolution. During the late 1970s, automotive manufacturers faced challenges related to fuel efficiency standards and emissions regulations, influencing the design and performance of cars like the Malibu Classic. As of now, the Chevrolet Malibu Classic 1977 has an estimated value of $3,900. The value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, mileage, and any modifications or restoration work that may have been done. The Chevrolet Malibu Classic has become a sought-after classic car among enthusiasts. Many well-maintained examples can be found in the hands of collectors and at vintage car events. Restoration projects are also common, as enthusiasts aim to preserve the charm of this iconic. If you want more affordable vintage cars, subscribe.